If you want to block an IP address from accessing your website in BlueHost, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to use BlueHost's IP blocker so you can stop unwanted visitors from reaching your site. This is a simple but powerful way to protect your website from spam, abuse, repeated login attempts, or traffic you no longer want. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step website guides. Let's get started. First, log into your BlueHost account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click Websites. This is where BlueHost keeps all of the tools for managing your sites. Next, find the website you want to protect and click Manage Site. If you have more than one website on your account, make sure you choose the correct one so you don't apply the block to the wrong site. After that, click the Security tab. BlueHost organizes a lot of important protection tools here, so this is where we need to be. Scroll through the security options until you find IP blocker. When you see it, click Manage. This will open the area where you can control which IP addresses are allowed or blocked through visiting your website. Now you'll see the Managed Blocked IPs section. This is the list that keeps track of every address you've blocked. To add a new one, click Block IP. A box will appear where you can type in the IP address you want to block. If you need to block more than one address, BlueHost also allows you to enter an IP range, which can be useful if the issue is coming from a whole group of addresses instead of just one. Carefully enter the IP address or range, then click Block to confirm. Once you do that, BlueHost will add it to your blocked list right away. From that point on, anyone using that IP will no longer be able to access your website normally. Instead, they'll receive a 403 forbidden error when they try to load your site. That means the block is active and working as expected. This is especially useful if you're dealing with suspicious traffic, repeated bad requests, or someone who should no longer have access to your content. It's a fast way to add an extra layer of protection without needing complicated server settings. And if you ever need to undo it later, BlueHost makes that easy too. Just go back to Security, then IP Blocker, then Manage, find the IP address in your blocked list, click the three dots next to it and select Delete. That will remove the block and allow that address to access your website again. So that's how to block an IP address in BlueHost, and how to remove it later if needed. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in keeping your website secure. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more BlueHost and website management tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.